If you've never opened a long web page in Chrome and thought, there has to be a faster way to find what I need, this video's for you. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to search from inside a web page in Chrome in just a few seconds. This is a super useful browser trick for finding words, phrases, headings, or specific information without scrolling endlessly. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and go to the web page you want to search. This can be an article, a blog post, a report, a document, or any page with a lot of text. Once the page is open, you're ready for the keyboard shortcut that brings up Chrome's built-in search tool. If you're on Windows or Linux, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. If you're on a Mac, press Command+F. As soon as you press the shortcut, a small search box will appear, usually at the top right, or sometimes at the bottom of the browser window, depending on your system and Chrome version. This search bar is the fastest way to look for text inside the page you already have open. Now type the word or phrase you want to find. For example, if you're reading a long article and want to find a certain topic, just type that exact word into the box. Chrome will instantly scan the page and highlight every match it finds. You'll usually see the match text highlighted in yellow or orange, so it stands out clearly on the page. If there are multiple results, you can press Enter to jump through them one by one. Each press of Enter takes you to the next match, which is really helpful when you want to move through a long page quickly. You can also use the up and down arrows next to the search box to move to the previous or next match without typing anything again. This makes it easy to go back and forth between results until you find the exact section you need. If the word doesn't appear, Chrome will usually show that there are no matches on the page, which is also useful because it saves you from searching manually. Another helpful tip is to search for shorter keywords if you're not finding the exact phrase. Sometimes a broader search term will help you locate the section faster. This shortcut works on most web pages, and once you get used to it, it becomes one of those everyday browser tricks you'll use all the time. It's perfect for students, researchers, office workers, and anyone who spends time reading online. So just to recap, open the page in Chrome, press Ctrl+F on Windows or Linux, or Command+F on Mac, type your word or phrase, then use Enter or the arrow buttons to move through the highlighted matches. And that's it. You now know how to search from inside a web page in Chrome. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.